to have you on another episode of Me Danu with Ajobi. If you are subscribed with us and following us on Facebook and Instagram, you would have seen our list of ingredients sent out earlier on in the week. But if this is your first time, welcome. Please do subscribe with us and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. For our recipe today, we have carrot cake and drum roll, cream cheese frosting. I mean, the best frosting in the whole world, according to me. And so let me introduce you to the ingredients. We have 3 cups of grated carrots, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 5 medium eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of mixed spice, half a cup of raisins, 1 cup of chopped pecans. To make our cake, we're going to mix the oil with the 2 sugars. So we start by pouring our oil. And then add our light brown sugar. Then our granulated sugar. And whisk to combine. Now to that you add your eggs. And you whisk it together to combine. Then you add your vanilla extract. And you continue to whisk. We're going to combine all the dry ingredients. So to our flour, we'll add the baking soda, then add our salt, the mixed spice or allspice, and combine. Sieve the dry ingredients into the mixture to get rid of any unwanted particles. After you mix till it's thoroughly combined, then we'll gradually add our grated carrots and mix. You add your pecans, then your raisins, and you continue to combine with your spatula. To prepare my cake tins, I first sprayed it with oil, and to give it an extra layer, I dusted it with flour. Now I'm going to distribute the cake batter evenly into the 2 cake tins. Cake batter has been evenly distributed between the 2 tins, and will go into the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Our cake is done, and we'll leave it to cool first for about 5 minutes to cool, and then we would layer it with the cream cheese frosting. In layering the cake, we spread a small amount of the cream cheese on the cake. And then you put the other layer of cake on top of it. And then you spread more cream cheese on top of it. Now it's a homemade cake, so it doesn't need any fancy designs or decorations. Just keeping it simple would work. Sprinkle the rest of the pecans chopped. And then you spread more cream cheese on and around the cake.
Subscribe and let's cook together.